Police are looking for the person responsible for shooting a man during a road rage incident last night. That man was taken to the hospital where sadly he later died. Hello, I'm Greg Hurst.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Skurlock. It happened on Coleman Road in Raleigh, and that is where we find WREG's Ashley Paul. And Ashley, this man was just full of life. What happened?
Another senseless, violent act from road rage.
Yeah, Steph and Greg, well, those details are still unfolding tonight, but Memphis police do confirm that this whole incident stemmed from a road rage interaction that happened here at this intersection by Checkers on Coleman Road in Raleigh just before 8 o'clock last night.
We were able to, converse in multiple ways, but it always came down to we're drinking Miller Lite together.
Fun-loving, a community leader, loved to travel. Friends like Greg Woody Wood say to know 74-year-old Frank Platt was to love him. Platt's brother Malcolm says he was an optimist, one of a kind, always finding the good in people. In fact, that's what one of their last conversations was about.
I told him that I wish that I shared his faith in humanity, but I don't, and that if he wasn't careful, he was going to end up dead. And it happened.
Memphis police are staying tight-lipped about the shooting that happened on Monday night here on Coleman Road in Raleigh, but they do confirm it stemmed from road rage. Platt says Frank was visiting from Nashville, and he and his other brother Michael had just left home. He says a car came speeding around them in the bike lane, so they honked their horn at the driver.
Frank and Michael pulled up next to him. He stuck a barrel of an AR-15, I assume, out of the window and fired off 3 rounds, and one of them struck my brother and killed him.
Tonight, that driver is still on the run, leaving Frank's loved ones devastated and angry at the senseless violence that's impacting the community.
This is not about gun control. This is about the education of young people to understand that life is precious.
If you have any compassion in your soul at all, if you have a relative that you hold dear, that you don't want to see become another statistic in this city, and you know something about this individual, speak up.
And that's the plea tonight. Speak up to help bring justice for Frank and to get another dangerous criminal off the streets of Memphis. Now, the family believes that the shooter was driving either a silver or a dark-colored Chevy. Anyone with any information is asked to contact Crime Stoppers at 528-CASH. For now, reporting live in Raleigh, I'm Ashley Paul, WREG News, Channel 3.